Let me get y'all some side profile of this thing, boy. Yo, this Trek Madone, I'm telling you, bro, this is a good looking bike. It is insane. But anyway, let's talk about it. I don't know what this car doing. I appreciate you. All right, Trek Madone, first ride. Oh my goodness, this, yo, the fit is crazy on this bike. It's very similar to the VAM, just as far as geometry and the way I got it set up. I'm feeling right at home. I'm super comfortable. The only difference is on the VAM, I have a different saddle, and the saddle is a 138 wide, and I don't have another one of those saddles right now. So the saddle I have on this bike is I want to say it's a 143, but once I get the other one to mimic the same one I got on the VAM, I should be in the game. The bike is very, very responsive. It's definitely a beast. I want to say it weighs maybe 18, 19 pounds, which isn't foreign to me because my Trek Madone weighed about the same. So you definitely feel the weight, but you only feel the weight like at a small standstill kind of, and like kind of get it going. But once it gets to going, yo, the bike wants to go, bro, and I'm not even pushing it right now. I'm just in my neighborhood, bro, just chilling. I want to do like at least 15 miles. I rode 76 miles yesterday, so I'm kind of trying to take it easy. I was out with my lady earlier, and I did like 7 miles with her. She's just getting into cycling, so we just kind of chilling. And then I did like the second half on my own, just kind of like, you know, giving it a little bit of gas, trying to go. And just seeing how it feels. And I really just want to make sure the bike is mechanically sound, which it is. All the brakes and stuff is working, all the gears are going. And speaking of gears, on this bike I'm running the 5440 up front, and in the back I'm running an 1134. So I got plenty of range, and I think that is the perfect setup for this bike, bro. And you're probably wondering, like, what does it look like? I know you've seen the thumbnail. The thumbnail looks crazy, but let me show you, bro. BluStreak is up and operational. Man.
Of what?
Just everything.
Some things
is it
just
going?
Look
Listen,
good.
The Trek Madone, it's the truth. I can't lie, it's the truth. The bike looks absolutely insane. It looks insane. I love the colorway of it. It's very, very flashy. Like, you know, people turning their heads and looking at it and waving and stuff. So I'm definitely happy about that. But so far, so good, man. I just want to put this quick little update out there to let y'all know that the Trek Madone is here. It is put together, and I am on this thing riding it, bro. So more to follow. Stay tuned. It's your boy, Mr. Robb Armstrong, and I'm out.
I look like a bag of money I'm on. They wanna know what I'm on. Got diamonds dancing on my neck. That is the vibe I'm on. Drip way too lit. Who gon' check? You can tell me none.